Hi and welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can remotely access your Raspberry Pi's desktop from anywhere in the world by using just your web browser. Today we're going to have a look at the Raspberry Pi Connect, a remote desktop feature from Raspberry Pi that will allow us to connect to our Pi unit from anywhere in the world. If we have a look at the instructions, the installation is pretty simple. We just have to run two commands. One is to update the system and package, and the third one is to install the Raspberry Pi Connect itself. The system is already updated, so I don't think it's going to find anything. Sudo apt upgrade. This is already done. And the last step, sudo apt install rpi-connect. The last command is just a simple reboot. You can do this from the graphical interface if you wish, it's the same thing. After restart, we have connected back to the VNC viewer. I'm gonna make the screen just a little bit bigger. Okay, and on the upper part over here you will see the Raspberry Pi Connect icon. If you click on it, you will have to sign in with the connect.raspberrypi.com username and password. Sign in with Raspberry Pi ID, name your new device. I'm just gonna call it Raspberry Pi 5. Create device and sign in. I can close this VNC window or just move it aside. If I go back to Raspberry Pi Connect, I'm just gonna refresh it. And right here I can see my device already listed in the dashboard. If I click connect, I can already access my device from a web page. I'm gonna bring both windows back so you can see this is the VNC and the one on the left is the Raspberry Pi Connect, pretty nicely synced. I don't need VNC viewer anymore. I can close these windows. At this moment, I can access the Raspberry Pi from wherever I want in the world just using a simple web browser. The response time is very fast. I can access the menus very easily. So from my point of view, this is a really nice feature to access your device remotely without the need to install any third-party applications. That's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if so, please don't forget to like and subscribe.